Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today is a lucky day. I have a chance to upgrade my car seat cover. As you can see, the cloth cover I've been using did not do a good job. This is a premium leather seat cover from Coverado. This set is massive. The first thing I noticed is the material. Feel really soft, smooth. Well, this is gonna make my RAV4 look new again. The black color is going to match my car perfectly. Man, I'm so excited and cannot wait to show you my installation process. I put in my description the link, you might want to check it out. The installation is very straightforward. Front seats fit almost perfectly to my Toyota RAV4 right here. Just have to slide them on. They use the buckle and straps right here, make it so simple. Also, the airbag safety isn't compromised, which is very crucial. It took me like 10 to 15 minutes to put the front seat cover on. We're gonna have some extra storage over here also. So let's take a look again the front seat. As you can see, very beautiful. So now let's move on to the back seats cover. The left and the right of the rear is the same, but the middle is kind of tricky right here. So it took me like another 20 minutes to figure out which go where for this back seat. And for the back headrest, just flip around and hook to the bottom. Okay, pretty much done here. As you can see, the seat belts on the left and right go pretty smoothly inside, but if you need to use seat belt in the middle, you have to remove the middle cover, which is still very simple. So if the RAV4 2019 to 2024, the car is gonna look like mine right here. Okay, if you're looking to protect your car's interior or just want a premium leather feel without a premium price, I highly recommend you check out the website I put in the description. There are so many other models, so many color choices, and the backrest if you're looking for one. So now my Toyota RAV4 24 completely transformed. If you decide to check out, don't forget to use my discount code. And thank you for watching.